Welcome again to my videos. Always remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification button. My name is Dr. FM. Again today, I bring before you a topic I title Investment Tricks. I know so many of us must have been hearing about investment, and people do not know some tricks that you need to embark on that will give you a successful way of investing. Now, let me start by saying that investment is important because why? You need to plan for tomorrow. You don't eat everything you have today. Fund that will survive tomorrow must be invested today. And that is why whatever that you earn today, no matter how little is, make sure that there's a portion for investment. You can decide to invest 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50% of what you earn today. But just make sure that something is available for you to keep for investment purposes. You don't know what will happen tomorrow. That is why it's important. Now, investment is a kind of fund that you put in a business-related activity for the purpose of generating gains, for the purpose of generating profit, especially in the near future. That is what investment is for. So, and if you don't understand some of the tricks that enables you to invest, you might be struggling to invest on. Every venture that you do for the purpose of receiving a gain in the near future is what is called investment. And we have different forms of investment. Make sure you join my YouTube channel. You see several videos I have done before now to explain investment, to give us investment option, to give us opportunities on how we can invest. Okay, so let me bring to you investment tricks. There are various points, and some points I'm going to discuss to you today. And I know as you grab them, as you heed to them, as you work with them, you will go far in taking care of investment habit tomorrow. The first point that you need to note is that for you to plan investment at all, you must save. Now, what does savings tell us? Savings tells us that whatsoever that you earn today, some portion of those money must be reserved, must be saved. And when those savings are made, they are purposely for investment for the future. Savings are not made to waste. Savings are not made to be eaten later. They are made for the purpose of investment. That is why you save bit by bit. You gather the fund for smaller investment, for bigger investment, for great investment. So the first thing you must do is to save. When you've started saving, no matter how little it is, now investment options will start coming your way. So it's very clear and very notable for us to know that the first thing to do in the journey of investment is a strong trick of investment. And that's why when you see some people, they can't invest. They don't plan for investment because they don't have reserve. They don't have savings to fall back on. So they always have problem of investment. Okay. Number two, is for you to know some of the investment options that is available. Is for you to know some of the business opportunity in terms of investment that are available. Regardless of what you are doing today, even when you are a salary earner, when you have a business you are doing, you must keep some portion for investment. Now, for you to talk about investment at all, you must know some various investment options. You can also go to my videos and see investment options that I have discussed in the past. But for the purpose of this video, I can tell you of money markets. I can tell you of fixed income securities. I can tell you of stock markets. I can tell you of investment in bonds. I can tell you of investment of fixed deposit. I can tell you investment in foreign exchange. I can tell you of diverse investment you can do. Now you must know those investment options. You must know the one that is suitable for you part-time. You must know the one that your appetite can carry, because we have low investment, we have high investment, we have medium investment. So you must know this investment option. So after you have saved the item one I mentioned, you must know where you channel your investment. You must be ready to take opportunity in the line of investment that are available. Some investments are seasonal, some investments are constant, some investments are highly geared, some investments are highly risky, but you must select the investment options that is pertaining to your appetite. You must know your appetite per time. It's not every investment you venture into. So that is why you must learn those options. You must know the various investment vehicles that you can actually put that your hard-earned savings. You don't just wake up and put your money where you don't know. Then you must learn it, you must know it, you must know various. We have thousands of investment options you can do. So you must learn some of them. Number 3, you must learn to invest again on assets, not on liabilities. So you must learn to invest on assets. Now, we always talk about assets because why? Assets has tendency to increase, to appreciate, but liabilities don't appreciate, they rather depreciate. So when you have saved money, when you are trying to select investment option, you must take note that you must invest in assets, things that can give you gain in the future, things that can give you profit in the future. We have things like properties, we have things like land banking, we have things like treasury bills, we have things like stock market, we have things like crowdfunding, we have things like mutual funds. These are investments that will never fail. They are sure to be guaranteed in the near future. So these are classes of assets. You must not invest in liabilities, things that are, the moment you are buying them, they are depreciating, like fashion, like material, things that we use, personal effects. All these things are things that we depreciate. So don't invest on liabilities, but you must invest on assets. Okay. Number 4, you must learn to develop yourself. To start with, for you to save properly, for you to learn much about investment option, you must develop yourself. Develop yourself is a way of investing in yourself. You are also an asset. How do you become an asset? You become an asset by properly investing on yourself. Read books, learn things, be acquainted with current issues that are moving. The investment vehicle that is reigning, you must acquaint yourself with them. So you must develop yourself. What you don't know is always bigger and better than you. That is why you must constantly invest in yourself. The way you spoke last year shouldn't be the way you will speak this year. There must be a better you. You must be better than what you have yourself is. So you are also an asset. Don't waste yourself. Don't waste the asset God has made you to be. That is why you must constantly invest in yourself. You must constantly repackage yourself. You must constantly be a better person. That is what we give you. Is one of the solid investment trick you must do, because you are also an investment yourself. You are also an asset yourself. So if you don't invest in yourself, if you don't package yourself, that saving that you have saved can never be meaningful. That is why some people will save money. At the end of the day, that money will disappear. Because why? They didn't invest in themselves properly. They didn't invest in themselves. There are diverse ways to invest yourself. You can also go to my videos. You see a lot of motivationals, a lot of leadership teachings that can allow you and make you to invest in yourself. And again, number 5, you create your own market. You are a brand. You must be sellable. You must sell yourself. So you must create your own market. That's an investment trick. You must let people think of you first. Let them remember you first. when they are looking for consulting, when they are looking for business opportunity, when they are looking for investment discussion, let them have you at the back of their mind. That is how you create your own market, you create your own niche, you create your own brand. Be an influencer. Let you influence people. Let them come around you. Let them think. Let them bring business deals. Let them bring business opportunity around you. When they are confused, when they are looking for a way out, when they are looking for solution, let them think you. That is how you create your own market. How do you not create your own market? Is by proper development of yourself. If you are not good, people will not come. If you are not knowledgeable enough, people will not come around you. That is how to develop yourself. Every moment, make sure you develop yourself. And when you develop yourself, you're able to create your own cabal. You'll be able to create your own market. And when you create your market, you determine the demand and supply of what happens in the market, because you are in charge of your market. So that is why you must constantly create your own market. Every point in time, don't let people create market for you. You are to create it. And lastly, whatsoever that you have done that is working, create a branch, create a subsidiary, increase your profit margin, double your effort. If you see that is working, if you see that investment is working, make sure you create more investment. Make sure you double whatever that is working, whatever that is good that you have done. Make sure you double it. That is why you see the rich people of this world, they create businesses inside business. They create opportunities inside opportunities. So you can never be left out. You cannot wait, because there are opportunities around. So double your effort. Don't just be good at what you are doing. If it's working, that means it can work the more. If it's working, that means it's possible to create itself. If it's working, that means it can generate more profit. So learn to create, to widen the profit margin, because the more the profit that you have, the more businesses that are coming by, the more capital you are raising, the more things you are doing. Thank you for enjoying me. This is my investment tricks for you. Just go through them again and again and again. It will bless your soul. It will help you to take full decision of things that is happening around you. Thank you again. My name is Friday Moses. Watch my video every time on my YouTube and click the notification button. My name is Dr. FM. See you in my next video. Thank you.